Welcome back to the Greenhorn Travelers channel. This video is from December 2022 at the Serai Resort, Kabini. Nestled in the heart of the lush Kabini forest, Serai Resort offers a tranquil escape for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. With its picturesque location along the banks of the Kabini River, this resort promises an unforgettable experience filled with serenity, wildlife encounters, and breathtaking scenery. During a stay at Serai Resort, guests can embark on a leisurely walk along the river banks and capture mesmerizing drone views, immersing themselves in the beauty of this pristine natural landscape. As you arrive at Serai Resort, you are immediately greeted by the warm hospitality of the staff. The resort boasts a range of luxurious accommodations, from tastefully designed cottages to spacious villas, all offering panoramic views of the surrounding forest and the Kabini River. Each room is meticulously crafted with modern amenities, ensuring a comfortable and rejuvenating stay. The walk along the Kabini River banks is a mesmerizing experience that allows guests to immerse themselves in the natural wonders of the region. The serene ambience, filled with the gentle rustling of leaves and the melodious chirping of birds, creates a soothing backdrop for this leisurely stroll. The resort provides guided walks, where knowledgeable naturalists accompany guests, sharing fascinating insights about the local flora and fauna. During the river walk at Serai Resort in Kabini, guests have the opportunity to explore the serene surroundings and immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the Kabini River. However, it is worth mentioning a specific aspect of the river walk experience, the boating point, which stops service before sunset. The boating point, which serves as a launch pad for river safaris and cruises, is usually a bustling hub of activity. It provides guests with an opportunity to venture onto the Kabini River and explore its hidden gems from a different perspective. As you amble along the river banks, you'll witness the ever-changing hues of the sky reflected in the tranquil waters of the Kabini. The lush greenery of the surrounding forests provides a vibrant contrast, inviting you to pause and embrace the serene beauty that envelopes you. The Kabini River is also home to a myriad of avian species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. From vibrant kingfishers to elegant egrets, the river banks provide ample opportunities to observe and photograph these beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. When it comes to capturing the beauty of the Kabini River, few experiences can rival the mesmerizing drone views. As you prepare for your drone flight, the anticipation builds. Once the drone takes flight, it swiftly ascends, granting you an unparalleled vantage point high above the Kabini River. From this aerial perch, you'll witness the vastness of the river and its intricate network of tributaries. The drone glides effortlessly, capturing the undulating curves of the river as it meanders through the landscape. The bird's eye view reveals the kaleidoscope of colors that dance upon the water's surface. The gentle ripples and currents create a dynamic tapestry of blues and greens, reflecting the ever-changing sky above. The interplay between light and water is truly a sight to behold, as the drone's camera captures this symphony of natural beauty. While capturing the river's beauty from above, the drone view also offers a glimpse into the surrounding landscape. Beyond the river, the vast expanse of the Kabini forest unfolds, revealing the untouched wilderness that is home to a wide array of wildlife. The opportunity to witness the Kabini River from a drone's eye view is a truly captivating experience. It offers a fresh perspective on the river's grandeur, revealing its intricate beauty, the harmony between nature and human settlements, and the rich biodiversity it supports.